In today's video, I'm going to show you how to integrate ClickUp with Microsoft Teams so you can manage tasks, updates, and collaboration all in one place. This integration is perfect for teams that live inside Microsoft Teams but still want the powerful project management features of ClickUp. It helps streamline communication, reduce context switching, and keep everyone aligned. If you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials like this. All right, let's get started. First, open your browser and sign into your ClickUp account using your workspace credentials. Once you're logged in, look at the left-hand navigation panel inside ClickUp. Scroll down and click on the option labeled More. This is where ClickUp keeps additional settings and integrations. Next, from the menu that opens, click on Apps. This will take you to the ClickUp App Center, where you can connect different tools and services. Inside the App section, scroll through the list or use the search bar to find Microsoft Teams. When you see Microsoft Teams, click on it to open the integration settings. Now click on the Connect button. ClickUp will prompt you to sign in with your Microsoft account and authorize the connection. Follow the on-screen steps and grant the required permissions so ClickUp and Microsoft Teams can communicate with each other. Once the connection is complete, ClickUp will be successfully integrated with Microsoft Teams, allowing you to receive updates, manage tasks, and collaborate more efficiently directly from Teams. And that's it! You've successfully integrated ClickUp with Microsoft Teams. If this video helped you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step software guides.